Benefits of soaked raisins. Looks can be deceptive. Raisins or kishmish may appear to be shriveled and haggard, but do you that they are a storehouse of nutrients. Kishmish belongs to the family of dry fruits, and most commonly, it is used as a topping over Indian desserts like kheer or firni, or is even stuffed into barfis. They are derived from dried grapes, and you may find them with a golden, green and blackish hue. They are full of natural sugars, and that makes them great energy boosters. They are also rich in nutrients like iron, potassium and calcium, and therefore, one can definitely bank on raisins to gain physical and mental strength. While consuming raisins in their raw form is a common practice, soaking them in water overnight and then eating them early morning on an empty stomach is considered to be very healthy. This has additional advantages apart from those that come along having them raw. In this video, we are telling 6 benefits of eating soaked raisins every day. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Regulates blood pressure. Excess salt consumption is known to cause high blood pressure. However, the potassium in raisins helps to balance the salt content in our body and regulate blood pressure. 2. Aids digestion. Raisins are high in fiber and they act as natural laxatives when soaked in water. Thus, eating soaked raisins helps prevent constipation and keeps your digestion process in check through the day. 3. Weight loss. Raisins are full of natural sugars and are great to curb your sweet cravings without loading on extra calories. But eat them in moderation and don't go overboard. They help in controlling your blood sugar levels and beat cravings, and all this helps in supporting your weight loss goals. 4. Helps boost immunity. Rich in vitamin B and C, raisins help strengthen your immunity, and thus, your body becomes less susceptible to infections. 5. Increases bone strength. Boron, which is essential for bone formation, is present in large quantities in raisins. Raisins are also packed with calcium, which is required for bone strength. Eating soaked raisins helps in better absorption of these nutrients and thus, improves overall bone density. 6. Prevents bad breath. The antibacterial properties of raisins help in maintaining oral hygiene of the mouth and get rid of breath. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.